Students, we shall continue yesterday's chapter, okay, that is importance of language, okay, on page 27. Early man used pictures for communicating. Archaeologists have found many cave paintings with cattle and weapons as the subject matter. The cave painting can be considered as man's first attempt to create and evolve a language. Egyptian hieroglyphs is an elevated form of early communication which involved using pictures, but this process was long and tedious. Explaining, okay, early man used picture for communication, okay, early in ancient time the people they were using pictures for communication, okay. Archaeologist, who is archaeologist? One who found out the human history, okay, have found many cave painting, okay, many cave painting means बहुत सारे गुफाओं में पेंटिंग मिला, right, with cattle and weapons, okay, with cattle means animals, weapons means mass, okay, weapons, mass, okay, that is mass distraction, okay, as the subject matter. The cave painting can be considered as man's first attempt, okay, cave painting, वो cave गुफा में पेंटिंग के द्वारा जो मिला वो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट हो सकता है टू क्रिएट एंड एलिवेट अ लैंग्वेज, उसी के द्वारा उन्होंने लैंग्वेज अर्थात भाषा की शुरू की गई, ओके, दैट इज इन्वेंटेड वर्ड, लिपि, ओके, इन हिंदी में से लिपि, और उसी के द्वारा अलग अलग लैंग्वेज की शुरुआत हुई. Egyptians and hieroglyphs is an elevated form of early communication. Okay, what do you mean by Egyptian? Egyptian, a native of modern, right, and hieroglyphs, what? Small pictures represent of ancient time, okay, is an elevated form of early communication, okay, ये early communication का कुछ अंश मिले with involved using pictures, okay, उसमें pictures भी यूज किए गए थे, but this process was long and tedious, and this process was long and tedious, okay, ये बहुत समय तक चलता रहा, right. Second para, necessity is indeed the mother of invention, as the different forms of communication which were used since the beginning of time fell short in effectiveness. Something better had to be put in their place. This led to the evolution of language. However, this evolution did not happen in one day. It took a long time for language to come in its present form. It is for this reason of having better skill and the ability of communicate by using a language, the man has been elevated above other life forms. Again I am reading. Necessity is indeed the mother of invention, as the different form of communication which were used since the beginning of time fell short in effectiveness. Something better had to be put in their place. This led to the evolution of language. However, the evolution did not happen in one day. It took a long time for language to come to its present form. It is for this reason of having better skill and the ability to communicate by using a language that man has been elevated above other life forms. नेसेसिटी इंडीड द मदर ऑफ इन्वेंशन. ओके, नेसेसिटी आवश्यकता जरूरत की माँ है. ओके, नेसेसिटी is a mother of invention, right? As the different forms of communication which were used since the beginning of time fell short in effectiveness. Okay, as the different forms of time, okay, अलग अलग उन्नति की ओर जाते गए. then forms of communication which were used since the beginning of time fell short. okay, fell short in effectiveness. okay, वो कम प्रभावशाली रहे. okay, something better had to be put in their place. okay, something better means उसे और अच्छी, okay, और better बेहतर रूप से डाला गया. this led to the evolution of language. okay, that brought the evolution, development of language, because in ancient time there were painting with cattle and weapons. okay, but as the days passed the evolution took place. okay, the development took place. however this evolution did not happen in one day. okay, ये उन्नति एक दिन में नहीं हुआ. okay, it took long time, right? many days it took. then it took a long time for language to come in its present form. जिस प्रकार अभी हम जैसे इंग्लिश में दिस वर्ड्स वी कैन राइट और रीड, दिस केम आफ्टर मेनी डेज. okay, और in Hindi the वर्णमाला we learn. okay, that ka kha ga that came after many days. okay, after many years. okay, in present form today we could read letters or words. okay, it is for this reason of having better skill and the ability of communication by using a language that man has been elevated above all other life forms. okay, और इसी के वजह से आज मनुष्य they are the supreme creature. okay, they can communicate with each other with languages. okay, today the world is moved very fast. okay, for communication in ancient time people were using letters, but today letter has not to be posted. today आज हम कैसे लेटर भेजते हैं? in email. okay, that reaches in within a second, right? so the world is improved very fast. okay, then second, language one must accept is the bridge of communication. when an idea in one person's mind is transferred to the mind of another, we can say communication has happened between them. if A says something and B understands something else, that is not effective communication. For effective communication to happen, there must be a common understanding. For instance, a 4 legs piece of furniture that is used for sitting is named a chair under universal agreement. If suddenly somebody wants to call it a god, it would lead too much confusion and chaos. Such similar agreements hold good for everything that exists. Otherwise, we could be living in confusion and misunderstanding. People would be just talking, but nobody would be communicating. Okay, again I am reading. Language one must accept is the bridge of communication. Okay, language ऐसे एक साधन है जो हमें दूसरों से कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए एक ब्रिज है. ब्रिज मीन्स जिस पर होकर हम नदी को पार करते हैं, राइट? दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रिज, राइट? सो तो लैंग्वेज एक ब्रिज है जिसके द्वारा हम दूसरों से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. व्हेन जब एन आइडिया इन वन पर्सन, जब एक व्यक्ति के आइडिया माइंड इज ट्रांसफर्ड, माइंड इज ट्रांसफर्ड टू द माइंड ऑफ अनदर, दूसरों को बताता है। ओके, एक व्यक्ति अपनी आइडिया दूसरों को बताता है। वी कैन से कम्युनिकेशन हैज़ हैपेंड बिटवीन देम। ओके, एक व्यक्ति अपने आइडिया दूसरे को बताता है तो हम कह सकते हैं द कम्युनिकेशन हैज़ बीन डन, राइट। इफ, जब ए इज यूज्ड हियर फॉर अ पर्सन, ओके, say something and B is said for another person, understand something else. जब one person says something to B, that is something telling, that is not effective communication. Okay, not understanding something, getting something and B understand something else. और कुछ उसको समझ में आता है, जो बोल रहा वो नहीं समझता, but other than that, okay, when you are telling when you are telling something like wishing happy birthday and the other person is not understanding what you are telling, that means for him the wish is not used for anything, right? But the A is telling happy birthday and the B is understanding same thing, happy birthday means effective, and the B is not understanding the happy birthday or understanding something else, then it is not effective communication. That is not effective communication. For effective communication to happen, there must be a common understanding. Okay, common understanding मतलब सबको समझने वाली चीज़ होनी चाहिए। ओके, कॉमन अंडरस्टैंडिंग, जैसे फॉर इंस्टेंस अ 4 legs, एक चौपाया, पीस ऑफ फर्नीचर जैसे चेयर, टेबल, बेंच, ओके, दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर सिटिंग। ओके, यहाँ पर दिया गया है व्हाट, दैट इज व्हाट, चेयर। ओके, चेयर इज made up of 4 legs, okay, that is for sitting, named chair under universal agreement. इसको सबों के सहमति, ओके, सब जानते हैं कि ये चेयर है। ओके, उससे हम क्या नहीं बोल सकते, बेंच नहीं बोल सकते, बिकॉज दैट इज चेयर। ओके, चेयर तो चेयर ही होता है एंड टेबल ही होता है, राइट। दोज आर द पर्टिकुलर नेम फॉर द पर्टिकुलर थिंग, राइट, दैट इज अंडरस्टूड बाय everyone. Okay, that is universal agreement. If suddenly somebody wants to call it a goat means what, बकरी, right? और कोई बकरी भी चौपाया है तो उसे हम चेयर कहेंगे तो होगा क्या, नो, दैट इज अ पर्टिकुलर, राइट। इट वुड लीड टू मच कन्फ्यूजन एंड केओस। ओके, वो हमें उलझनों में डाल सकता है, राइट। Such similar agreement hold good for everything that exists. Okay, ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्रीमेंट सहमति है जो बहुत सारे चीज़ों को पर्टिकुलर नाम से बुलाया जाता है, राइट। जैसे दिस पेंसिल इज वर्क, with this we can write and rub. Okay, means that red pen we cannot rub it. Okay, so pen is pen and pencil is pencil. It is known by everything. Okay, this is universal truth. Then such similar agreements hold good for everything that exists. Otherwise we would be living in confusion and misunderstanding. अगर ये सब सभी की सहमति ना हो तो हम बहुत सारे उलझनों में पड़ जाएंगे। Okay, nobody will understand anything. People would be just talking but nobody would be कम्युनिकेटिंग। ओके, पीपल, लोग बोलेंगे लेकिन कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो सकेगा, राइट। सो दिस इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ लैंग्वेज, ओके, इट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट। लैंग्वेज इज अ ब्रिज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। ओके, एवरीवन मस्ट एक्सेप्ट, राइट। हियर in the modern world we used English as the common language of communication. The English language spread across the world as a result of British colonialism. This has brought most part of the world under a common umbrella. It has eased many processes and has led to the better understanding of ideas and concepts of an international level. Okay, students, in the modern world, okay, modern world, that is today's world, okay, we use English, okay, we use English language as the common language. Okay, today the English language is spoken all over the world. Okay, communication, okay, India, Pakistan, okay, and USA and everywhere, right, all over the world the English language is spoken. The English language spread across the world. Across the world means all over the world as a result of British colonialism. Okay, British लोग जब आए, when they came, they spread all over the world, and because of that the English language spreads. Right, now we are under one umbrella, right? Then this has brought most part of the world under a common umbrella. Common umbrella means in one umbrellas under we are. Okay, that is one language is spoken and known or by communicate. Okay, that is English. Okay, English language everywhere spoken in the world. Okay, when a person knows English, he must convey, or he could convey, or he could communicate with anyone. Okay, this has eased many process. Okay, ये आने में बहुत सारे प्रोसेस लगे and has led to a better understanding of ideas and concepts on an international level. Okay, ये बहुत सारे प्रोसेसेस के द्वारा आज ये एक मॉडर्न लैंग्वेज हो गया है, and today the people they understand, okay, better what is said or what is communicated. Today everything is in English, right? Stories are in English, okay, all the books are in English and everything is in English. Okay, in the computer everything is in English, right? So these are the modern world today we are living. Okay, in India there are 22 major languages written in 13 different scripts with over 720 dialects. That the official Indian language are Hindi with approximately 420 million speakers. In English, which is also widely spoken. Okay, in India there are 22 major languages. 22 major languages means मुख्य भाषा, right? 22 major languages, Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil, all these are different languages written in 13 scripts. Okay, 13 different scripts, ये 13 लिपि में, right? Like Hindi, English, these are different varnmalas. Okay, different words. ABC, that is English language. K, Kh, G, that is in Hindi language, varnmala, right? In with over 720 दलित्स. ओके, दलितों के भी छोटी छोटी बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस हैं. द ऑफिशियल इंडियन लैंग्वेज आर हिंदी. ओके, ऑफिशियल, ओके, हिंदुस्तानी लैंग्वेज है हिंदी. ओके, हम हिंदी भाषी हैं. इंडिया इज लैंग्वेज, ओके, हिंदुस्तानी वी आर सेड, राइट, विथ अप्रोक्सिमेटली 420 मिलियन स्पीकर्स. ओके, कितने बोलने वाले हैं? 420 मिलियन स्पीकर्स, राइट, इतने सारे लोग हिंदी भाषा बोलने वाले हैं. इन इंग्लिश विच इज़ ऑल्सो वाइडली स्पोकन. ओके, और जो इंग्लिश भाषा बोलते हैं वो भी बहुत सारे लोग इंग्लिश भाषा से अपना कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं, राइट.